history, traffic.
Go ahead.
East 2nd and Walnut, Kansas. White or yellow Dodge Ram.
Hello, Officer Carpet with the Barn Street Police Department. The reason I pulled you over is because when you made your right-hand turn, you only used your blinker right before you made your turn. So I need your driver's license and insurance, please.
Is there a reason you're following me today? Is there a reason
No,
you made four turns around me? Is there a reason you made an illegal U-turn down by the school to follow me? Is there any of those reasons?
I'm going to ask you, this is the last time I'm going to tell you, I need your driver's license and insurance.
What crime did I commit again?
1523, can't get an 85, please.
What crime did I commit again?
Give me your driver's license and insurance.
What crime are you? What crime
Sir,
am I
we're gonna have to get.
What crime am I suspected of committing?
I need your driver's license. Sir, you're gonna have to step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle.
I have it right here.
No, you're gonna have to step out of the vehicle now.
For what?
Sir, you're gonna have to step out of the vehicle. Sir, I need you to step out of the vehicle.
For what, sir?
I already told you I needed your driver's license. You didn't want to give me your driver's license.
I have my driver's
and now
license right here,
I've asked
sir.
you 3 times for your driver's license. You did not give it to me, so now you gotta step out of the vehicle.
For what, sir?
All right.
Here's my driver's license right here, so you have to give me 15 seconds.
1523. The driver refuses to give me his driver's license.
Not correct, incorrect. I have it right here. You give me 15 seconds, sir. You can't be a freaking tyrant. Tyrant, right here. Look, we've been here for 1 minute and 30 seconds. He gave me 15 seconds to pull out my license. 15 seconds, okay? Here's my license.
Sir, we need to go ahead and get, that's fine, but I still need you to step out of the vehicle.
I'm gonna step out of the vehicle because you're giving me a lawful command to step out, correct?
Yes.
I'm gonna turn off my vehicle.
Turn off your vehicle.
I'm opening my door, okay?
Okay.
Do not touch me.
Nope, you gotta face that way. You have to face your door.
You said to get out of the vehicle.
Yes, and I'm telling you what you have to do.
Okay.
So go ahead and step out of the vehicle and face the crevice of your door.
I can't fit in between. Can you step back where I can fit?
Nope. This is where you. That's it. That's all you get.
Yes, sir. I just please don't touch me.
Let us move out.
Yeah,
move out of the vehicle.
I'm trying to move out. What is your deal, man?
Face the truck. Okay. You have any weapons? Anything on you?
No, sir. What is your deal, sir? What is your deal, sir? Why are you treating me like this? I didn't do anything to you. I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay, let's go back over here. Let's go back over here.
Where?
Okay.
Please direct me
Face
with your
that way.
voice, sir.
Okay. You have anything? You don't have anything on you?
I already answered that question, sir.
Thank you.
Are you under any influence or anything? I've already answered that question.
Face that way.
once.
Don't be
I've
moving
already
around.
answered that question once. Why are you asking me 2 questions twice, sir?
Okay. Let me pull up your pants a little bit because your pants are about to fall off.
My pants are fine, sir.
Okay.
Are you trying to sexually touch me? Is that what you're trying to do?
All right, we're gonna go over here.
Where am I going now?
We're going to the back of my patrol car. Do I have a seat?
There's no room for me to have a seat, sir.
There is a room for you to have a seat. Go ahead and have a seat. Inside the patrol car where the seat goes.
Oh,
you want me to give you... You can go ahead and put your left foot in.
There's still a seatbelt my way, sir.
The seatbelt is mandatory like that, okay? We put it like that. So go put your left leg in. Make sure your bottom is seated in the seat correctly, please.
Can I pull my pants to do that? I can't even stretch.
Okay.
I am on Social Security disability for bad knee there, sir. Please,
okay.
Please,
yeah, I'm not going to push your knee. I'm gonna put your seatbelt on just for safety, okay?
1523, is everything 10-4?
10-4. I have the subject detained.
1520 out, 23.
So, this is what I have, Jennings. Saw him coming up, comp, turn on, and then he made a turn here. Didn't use a blinker 100 feet before the turn, so I stopped him. I requested his driver's license. He started demanding, and then I requested his driver's license again, and then the third time I told him, like, you're gonna get out of the vehicle. So I already patted him down. I detained him, and he's in the back of my car right now.
Okay.
They refused to give me his driver's license. He didn't want to give it to me.
So you found it on the pat down then?
He gave it to me.
Oh, he finally gave it to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it was after I already ordered him out of the vehicle. He didn't want to get out.
Okay. So what crimes do we have so far then?
So we have the using the turn signal not with 100, not using the turn signal 100 feet before a turn, and then refusing to identify himself. So those two.
Okay. It'd be kind of hard to prove that one because he finally did.
Okay.
So we got that. Did he provide you with insurance?
No, he hasn't.
Did you request it?
I did request it.
Okay, so
And then he tried to make it look like, he said I only gave him 15 seconds to identify himself, but I kept requesting his ID and he didn't want to do it.
okay.
Thank you. So.
All right, let's go back up. Let's ask him for proof of insurance and see if he is willing and able to provide it to us.
Okay.
Well, I mean, we'll go ahead. Now that we know who he is, we can go ahead and uncuff him.
All right.
And then we'll just ask him for the proof of insurance, and if he's willing to do that, if he doesn't want to give it to us or can't, then we'll take that next step.
Okay.
Tag came back to the vehicle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I have him in the vehicle. I'll pull him out then.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna get you out of here. Okay. Come on, step out. All right. Face the doorway. Face the doorway. Thank you. Okay. Let's come over here and stand by the curb over here by my sergeant. All right. Do you have insurance?
Yeah.
Are you willing? Where is it?
It's on my phone.
On your phone? I'll bring your phone to you, okay? Your phone is still recording, just to let you know. So here you go.
I don't know. I'm changing it.
That's fine. I still need to see proof of insurance.
Okay.
You don't? Are you gonna show me proof of insurance or not?
I guess I'll take care of it up at the station whenever you give me the ticket.
Okay.
I'll
Then
take
you
care of
can
it
get a
up at
citation for it too. Okay.
That's fine. What's my other citation for?
For a turn here. So you didn't have your you didn't place your turn signal 100 feet before the turn. You placed it and then you turned. Okay.
So that's your reason for pulling me over and following me for how many turns?
Okay. I'm gonna write the citation now.
No,
okay?
I want to know why you followed me for so many turns.
So,
You made an illegal U-turn to speed without emergency lights to come and try to follow me up here to make 4 turns around me while I was. And I
right now is not where you're going to be.
I did not have 100 feet.
Right now is not
to turn
where
on
you.
my signal in between the
you
turns
can go ahead
that you
and
were following me.
talk to the judge. Me and you, we're not going to be discussing this on the side. Okay?
Why not?
It's not where it. This is not where it happens. You talk to the judge, and the judge. You talk with the judge.
You're making it up.
citation.
No, I want to know why you called me for so many terms. You made an illegal U-turn to speed without emergency lights to come and try to follow me up here to make 4 turns around me while I was. And I didn't have 100
now is not
feet.
where you're going to be.
I did not have 100 feet.
Right now is not the
turn
way
on my
you
signal in between the
You can
turns
go ahead
that you were following.
talk to your judge. Me and you, we're not going to be discussing this on the side.
Why?
Okay?
Why not?
It's not where this is not where it happens. You just talk to the judge, and the judge, you talk with the judge.
You're making it up. You're making it up. Harassment. So it's legal for your deputy here to follow me for 4 turns without any other suspicion?
What if you're going the same way he's going?
Is it illegal for him to follow me for 4 turns? Yes or no?
It is not illegal.
It's not illegal for him to make a U-turn for no reason whatsoever to come follow me for 4 turns to try to make me not use my turn signal between turns for 100 feet, which is impossible to do on blocks that are shorter than 250 foot. So it's not illegal for him to harass me like this.
He's not harassing you.
He's not harassing me by following me for 4 turns.
It's not illegal to follow you for 4 turns.
Okay, this is total harassment.
I disagree with you, but you're right to your opinion, and I'm right to mine.
Why was I pulled out of my vehicle?
Because you're failing to evidently identify yourself.
He has my ID in his hand. How was that failure?
Well, evidently he got that after he pulled you out of it.
30 seconds within him pulling me over. Within time for him to walk from his vehicle to my vehicle, he was telling me to get out of my vehicle. Okay. Within 30 seconds, I was reaching for my ID when he told me to get out of the vehicle. Why is that appropriate?
I don't know. I wasn't here, so I'd have to watch the video.
But you're away. What?
I said I'd have to watch his video and be able to answer that question.
Okay, can we do that?
Not right now.
Okay, I'll be requesting for that video.
When he writes you a ticket, you have every right to subpoena that video through the court system.
Yeah, through records. Yeah, I've done it before. I know how to do it.
Okay, so
I fought off a ticket just like this before. Last time it was for failure to show insurance. Guess what? I wrote off because you guys harass people like this.
That's how the statute's written. If you don't show insurance the same, we can rewrite your ticket. And if you provide
Sure. The statute also states that it's harassment to follow me for more than 3 turns. 3 right-hand turns.
What statute number is that?
What statute number is it? You tell me.
Well, it doesn't exist. That's why I'm asking you.
You don't think it's harassment to follow a citizen around?
No.
You don't think it is? For no reason whatsoever?
His reason is because you didn't have your turn.
For 3 turns before? The other 3 turns? The U-turn? What was the U-turn for? It's all recorded.
Well, that's fine.
What was the U-turn for?
Evidently, get in behind you.
For what? For what? For the next 3 turns?
Again, that's whatever the reason why he was stopping you.
Again, for the 3 turns previous to that, why didn't he pull me over for any? Because he didn't have a reason. So he followed me till he had a reason, which he made prevalent by him being behind me, by making me nervous, by intimidating me, by harassing me. Okay. Yeah.
Again, you feel like that's a valid defense. You have every right to be not guilty of this charge.
I am. I'll waste all the time. I'm wasting everybody's time here. So you guys are wasting my time. I'll take it all the way as far as I can for something stupid.
That's your legal right.
It's my prerogative. You're right. You're right. As a human being, and say that this is harassment instead of fucking being a tyrant.
Well, I don't see it being harassment, so I'm not going to say that.
You don't see it as being a tyrant?
I don't see it being a tyrant.
You're full of shit. You're full of shit. Put me in the back of the police car within 30 seconds of pulling me over because I was reaching for my ID. It's all on tape. You guys know it. That's harassment. You have no right to pull me out of my vehicle.
I disagree with you, but that's, again, your opinion and my opinion.
One's law, one's my rights, one's your opinion.
Well, if you feel like that it's part of the law, then you have every right to plead not guilty to it, take it to trial.
Okay. I will, and I'll be putting a complaint form in on Officer Kelly and Officer Hubbard here has just been an innocent bystander. She will not be in a complaint form. We'll be getting badge numbers here shortly.
Officer Carpio.
I'll ask him.
Okay.
It's harassment.
Again, I disagree.
1520.
It's my right.
It is your right. You can make a complaint.
To not be detained for no stupid reason. Name and badge number.
I just finished citation on D1.
10-4.
Can I have your name and badge number, sir?
Officer Clarke, 591.
Name and badge number.
I need to finish the citation, I'll give you my name and badge number.
Can
It's
I have
also
your
on
name
the
and badge
citation.
number, sir?
Officer Clarke, 591. So I'm going to read the citation to you, okay?
Yeah, this made up phony BS.
One is for proof of insurance. The other one is for your turn signal here. Okay, you didn't use it 100 feet before.
I'll be getting your dash cam video.
Without admitting to guilt, do you promise to call in the Bond Transmission Report at 913-422-7800
What do you say, buddy?
between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. on 11/25/2020?
Yeah, I'll give him a call.
Okay, here you go. You need to take the citation.
Yeah.
Touch him, drop it, and say you're served. You gotta touch it to him, and then drop it and say you're served.
You've been served. Okay.
All right, you're free to go.
Here's your insurance. Here's your driver's license.
Yep.
Okay. Now you're free to go.
Cool.
Okay. Huh.
Tired. That's all you are. Tired. You serve for me.
You're free to go, sir. And you also do not stand in the road. Don't stand in the middle of the road, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Free to go.